I believe NICC is supporting more than our company. They're supporting the community, causing jobs to come to Iowa and stay in Iowa. The training we've done with NICC has been completely innovative. It doesn't exist. We've created it along the way. We continue to modify and add to that training as new technologies exist, as new opportunities grow. From my perspective, the grant programs that NICC administers are second to none.
There is choice that's out there, but having a premier choice like the 260F program with relationships with NICC made it even more impactful for us. Smaller organizations don't maybe necessarily have the funding or the resources that some large organizations do. So being able to have a resource like NICC to do this work really enables us as the small players to be competitive to some of those larger players.
Overall, the grant programs and our experience with NICC have been phenomenal. I believe it's really caused our business to add over 80 jobs in a 4-year period. Without it, I don't think we could have done what we accomplished.
It's critical that you have the community colleges support as a resource to help us only continue to be better members of the community and good employers.